And big thanks to Neil for dropping these down this morning. If we had a bet on how long it would take me to tackle the hard nose on this 951, you were right, Neil. Just after dinner I come back out and had a go at them. So I freed up the pins for the loaded arm locks. And I started doing all the checking the threads right through on the front end. I've been renewing some rubber flaps, dust flaps, and renewing springs on the catch for these locking pins. So yeah, they took some heat to warm up a little bit. They were well seized, not been used for years. Blanked off the radiator. I'll be putting the bottom bolts on the other side just to put screw them back in, because we're taking out the screw just to check for leaks and go from there really. But just passing the time this afternoon, just tapping holes out, freed them up. They come better than they thought they would. So as I say, the loaded arms actually come down and they rest on these like that. But in my opinion, they're too low to work on the engine actually. With 933 had the same idea. But I used big thick quarter angle iron, I do. Have the arms much higher to work on engines. But it was a built-in safety device. So I'm quite pleased with that. Burned off some of the paint around the embossed caterpillar into the casting there. So as you can see, it was pretty rusty in there. These took some moving, but yeah, a bit of heat, big hammer, and a wire brusher on an angle grinder, some sort them out. So yes, you were right, Neil. It didn't last long. As soon as within sort of 20 minutes of finishing my Sunday lunch, I was out here. I couldn't resist and progressed it. But now I now tinker around with 3 walls to tap out, and then called it a day. Feet up time then, and maybe a glass of whiskey this evening. So see you next time.